The Bank of Uganda is giving refugees a lifeline after a funding shortfall for refugee assistance severely impacted supplies. Through a special program, refugees can develop certain skills that could make them financially independent and possibly transform their lives. CGTN's Isabel Nakira reports.
This is a financial literacy class in the Nakivale refugee settlement. Refugees are being taught how to grow their own businesses. Devrir Mugara, who is a Congolese refugee, now trains his fellow refugees in money-making ventures. Together they've started soap-making businesses to earn a living and also save money for their families.
We are doing it as a business because, for example, as a woman, if I'm earning, for example, 100 a day, I'm totally different with someone who is earning just nothing. So whenever I'm behind something that is paying me back, so from there I'm contributing to the development of the community and also the country.
Uganda is home to nearly 1.6 million refugees. They receive food rations and cash transfers from refugee agencies. But funding is drying up and rations have been cut, leaving resources only for the most vulnerable. Programs like this one aim to help displaced people become self-sufficient.
Doing this soap making, some of us were unable to buy the soap because the soap were on the high prices.
Refugees in Uganda are allowed to work and access all social services like health and education. Many refugees in Uganda lack the knowledge about opening bank accounts, budgeting or saving. Now the Bank of Uganda has developed a strategy that will help them become financially independent. The central bank is giving other financial institutions the authority to enroll refugees in programs of financial inclusion. That allows them to access various financial services like small savings schemes within the settlements. And private banks are now operating in refugee settlements to ease financial access.
We even now have a program to lend them money in these groups that have been set up. In the groups, there are the village savings and lending associations, which are the small VSLAs. Being that they've managed to register together in groups, we can provide some funding for those who have managed to save their cash transfers for about a month.
To open a bank account in Uganda, a national ID is usually required. The new strategy for forcibly displaced persons now allows refugees to open up bank accounts using their refugee cards. The hope is that more refugees will be able to tailor their skills to their needs rather than depend entirely on donations. Isabel Nakira, CGTN, Kampala, Uganda.